Ake sibingelele. Ubingelele baba udokotela baba sesibajala ufana umhledla kahle emuzolo amancisa ngisele futhi ngixolise. Uyazi bakithi eminyangeni into emnandi there is a freestyle. Eminyangeni there is a free fall. If ukukhuluma into eminyangeni people must listen yabo. Ngoba noma ngabe wenzani eminyangeni people they take it very serious but they don't do it. Uyabona ukotini lo wena lithi uma uzofaka enalithini uqala ukhothe ngomlomo before you ufake nayo ngoba uma wanga ukhotha awungeni imbobo emincane. Uqala ukhothe ngomlomo ngolimo gabathi uma usuyawufaka kodwa imbobo besinkulu. Engisho ukuthi ibheka lokotini othi ngagawo ukuthi sadinga yini ukukhotha noma sobezani ufake ukotini uyakhotha muze sewufaka kodwa phela khona ke lezo mbobo kade ihawula kaShembe ubona imbobo isinga so seni ufake nje ukotini uthi akithi asiyeke lento this is why udokotela wesizwe namhlanje kuhlelo umzukulu amancikisi bakithi asibuyele nomsenzini wedlozi ubaba udokotela this is why udokotela wesizwe bajala namhlanje kuhlelo umzukulu amancikisi ngisele futhi ngixolise ngifuna ukunika izinyanga esinazo. This is from since we are on September ngizolinika izinyanga ezo3 for the whole of September ukuthi uma usendaweni ukuthi kunenyanga la uma usendaweni ukuthi kunenyanga la uma usendaweni ukuthi kunenyanga ela then asikhulumeni kunenyanga seKaronga uyayithola eMzuzu uyayithola eKasungu uyayithola futhi eBlantyre uyakwazi ukuyithola futhi uma ukuthi useLilongwe uma useKaronga uyayithola uma useRumbi uyakwazi ukuyithola uma useMzuzu uyakwazi ukuyithola uma useKasungu uyakwazi ukuyithola uma useMalawi uma useLilongwe uyakwazi ukuyithola uma useMaBlantyre uyakwazi ukuyithola yenza lamasalamusi emali la wena wafunayo usho nje lokho nje ngakufihleli angithi nifuna into ekuthiwa imagic money ngiyayifuna laba abayifunayo ibona kuphela bazothatha le number ngoba lenyanga iMalawi yaziwa ngaleyo nto nje eMalawi yaziwa ngaleyo nto inamba yayo ithi 0 please write it down you people 069 187 2181 baba uKindowi uzokwazi ukuthi umthole bese kuthi ke eMandeni umuntu udlula kaSithebe kaMandeni kunendawo emxhaso nje lapha esando kwakhiwa kunenyanga ke ekade ingale eMangethe yasuka eMangethe iyeza ngapha ke yona ke ispecialize entweni zamacala ekhafulweni entweni zamabutho entweni zabantu abafuna into okuhlola bathi ubaba uNdlovu noma umkhulu uNdlovu inamba yakhe ithi 063 eMandeni 063 350 0077 063 350 0077 eyokugcina ke engizoyibala ezinye ezo3 sezonibalela next shooting lena ke ikwamhlaba uyalingana endaweni esibiza le ndawo ayikho precise amhlaba lengana ingaphansi kwehlabisa ingaphansi kwehluhluwe le ndawo ngoba uhlabisa uleke ingaphansi kwehluhluwe le ndawo isemngceleni omhlaba yalingana ngoba uma usulapha ibhodi la elithi mhlaba lengana sesethi basemngceleni nje womhlaba yalingana kanye nehluhluwe kodwa vese bona sebeziganise ehluhluwe komhlaba lengana sebethi nje bakamhlaba lengana labantu landa kuthiwa umnqobokazi isemqobokazi ke le ndawo ngicabanga ukuthi kusekhona uGumede makuthi angikho wrong nizongicorrecta ke nani laphana ke kunobaba ke laphana ke kuthiwa ubaba uDlamini umfoka Bhokweni inamba ke ithi 063 597 1297 063 597 1297 akeke ubaba ke lona ke yena ke ugude kulezi zinto lezi abantu abafuna ukwakhelwa into zamabhizinisi abafuna ukwakhelwa izigubhu zomsebenzi abantu abafuna ukulayishela iquantum noma uthi ufuna iquantum ilayishe ayizolayisha kehla amhlabaleka nabantu asesikhathi sokudlala nabo bezoyilayisha nje iquantum yena ke nje umuhleke entweni lezi ezithe ukukhohlakala kakhulu lezi ezokhohlakala kodwa lamasalamusa amanye akekho kuona unless sekutshela ukuthi uquantum mina last time I do my research akekho kuona yilabo bantu ke labo engifuna ukuthi ke uma ukuthi uyayifuna inyanga engalapho go and contact them. Last video I had a class where I was teaching or lecturing English, and somebody else called me and asked me to come for an interview. Bafuna ukuthi ngizofundisa esikoleni sakhona, and then I went for an interview. And then I sat down in a panel. Thereafter, base bangibuza bathi are you Baba Dokotela? I said indeed I'm Baba Dokotela, but how is your spelling inability? I said spelling inability like what? But okay, can you spell? How is your can you spell one? I said one. Everybody can spell one. Why are you asking me that question? Because I'm Baba Dokotela, I'm known and ngikade ngidlala kuzalo seningibonile entweni eziningi. I made the best joke ever, and then just give me a job. People give me a job. But Dr. Zuma, you call yourself doctor? I said yes. How you spell one? I said it's easy. W-A-N. That's one. How's that? Get out? That is how you spell one. And they wrote it. They stood up. They wrote it. They wrote One. I said, that's not one. That's Oni. That's a new phone that is coming up next year. It's Oni. Yeah, that is how they spell one. And they asked for my, Can do one spell one verse. How you pronounce it, the way you write it. One is one.
It's not wide area network.
Other people in Australia, they call it wide area network. They mean one. If the network is everywhere, it's white. That is one of the networks. That is white. That is one. Yeah, then they asked for they said, no, Baba Dokotela, you're not even serious. We mean like you're not even serious. I said, I'm sorry and I'm sorry. Then if you people got problem of writing or spelling, it is you call One as one, and then I call one as one, and then you call One as one, then it's different.
You find one of the Chinese name, one.
One
Feng.
They asked for my qualification. They said, Baba Dokotela, what is your... Because in order for you to lecture English, continue teaching English, you must have a highest. What is the highest thing you've got? I said, Yabona, enye into ayifuna udlale. When people asking for your highest qualification, you cannot make it as a joke. Or anything that is highest, onayo. The highest thing enginayo, among... I'm joking. No, the highest thing enginayo, BP. How can I say BP? Because my BP is too high. Just to prove it's not a joke. The highest among, all right, look like BP. Those are the highest things I've got. And one other can't prove it. I can prove it. I'm even taking medication of BP because it's too high. Good people, this is Baba Dokotela. English class is starting. I can ask questions now. I can ask questions everybody want to answer. This is my WhatsApp number where you can answer. 063 689 8922. 063 689 8922. I need you class to sit down now. Sit down now. Sit down now. Sit. Siswam to the skate if any shading. I know Tisha, I know sir. What is the capital city of India? Who can tell me? Musutu zongitshela kuma comment ngitshele manje capital city of India? Indonesia. That is what I wanted. Yes, capital city of India is Indonesia. What is the capital city of China? Who can tell me the capital city of China? It is King Kong. yeah, this is the capital city of China. It is King Kong. Let's go to maths. Who's good in maths? I'm not good in mathematics. You people, you just want to waste my time because I failed to spell one. I could not tolerate that one is O-N-E. And according to my understanding, one is one. Yeah, that's all. Okay, let's do this. What is the answer of 1 minus 1? It's 1 minus 1. What is the answer there? It's 1. The reason why it's 1, I can support my statement because you are minusing 1 over 1, which means the answer is 1 that you are minusing. It can never be something else. You cannot minus 1 and end up having 0. 0 coming from where? Because you are minusing 1 over 1. It's obvious. It is 1 that you are minusing. Answer is 1. Okay, NBA. What NBA stand for, class? Anyone can tell me what is NBA stand? Nyalbuga ibola and NBA nyayibuga NBA what stand for? Nigerian Basketball Association. How's that? Because they are tall. It is their basketball. Yes, let's go to continents now. Which country in the world? Which country in the world that begins with letter S? Which country in the world that, who can tell me? The country that began with letter S. Not S, Z, yeah, Z. Not Syria. No, Z. Oh, zebra. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, zebra. Yeah, zebra. How many months in 5 years? How many months in 5 years? Oh, 5 years. Unenyanga ezingaki. 5 years is 12 months. Oh, that's beautiful. How many? What's this? How many? What's this? How many years in? How many? Who's gonna answer this? First, ngicela ozo phendula. Akaphendule ama comments uthi it's me, sir. How many years in 3 decades? How many years in 3 decades? Which means the answer is 3. Yeah, beautiful. 3 decades. Yeah, 3 years. 3 years. Thank you very much. What is the plural word? A plural term for the word water. What is the plural? What is the plural term for the word water? Who can tell me? Plural, not singular, plural. SO2. Yeah, that's beautiful. SO2. What instrument is used to measure? What instrument is used to measure weight? What instrument is used to measure weight? Who can tell me?
Telegram.
Telegram. That's beautiful. Telegram. Who owns the best sofa or a couch in South Africa? Cyril Ramaphosa. Wow! He owns the most expensive couch with money. That couch is expensive. Yeah, this is Babuta. Whatever says. No, we were just helping people. It's all joke. It's all joke. It's all jokes. Personal, please. Those people who got offended. Kodwa razo. Almost umnyama kangaka kuthiwani. Yazi ngisho basikithi uhleli kwena itshethu uhleli esihlahleni. Hayi ngeke phela kube khona into yenza. Mase usumnyama kangaka razo ngeke. Ngeke. Bakithi, let's talk. Kunezinto lana. Let me finish my coffee. Is it tea or coffee? Tea is something with tea. This is drinkable. Mntwesifazane. This video, it's about you. This video, it is about you. I guess you're happy. umkhonyana wakho o ubaba oshade naye umfowethu okuthandayo ofuna ukukushada, as from today please realize this: he is the only person who loves you with genuine love, nobody else. Uthando umkhonyana wakho akuthanda ngalo, it is so much genuine compared to anything that you can ever think of. Uma wakho nobaba wakho bakuthanda because you are uyingane yabo, bakuthanda ezingeni lokuthi uyingane yabo, but kunezinto abangeke bazitolerate kuwena. Your cousins bakuthanda ngoba nihlobene at cousin level, as well as your siblings, your brothers and sisters, bakuthanda esigabeni sokuba ubhuti noma usisi. Siphelile ke isigaba sakhona, but uthando umkhwana wakho aliletha kuwena noma aliveza kuwena lo thando, ngicela ukuthi uliphathe kahle, because it is not guaranteed. Lezinto ozenzayo, it may worn out lo thando, and you can never get it back again. You can never get it back again. Kunembuzo ulokumbuza yona. You are nagging him too much. I'm begging you, back off from all those questions, because we are warning out the threats of love. Uyakuthanda umkhwana wakho ngothando langempela. Please give him love that he deserves. This is Babu Dawudela Voices Bojabula Mfana Mhlaje Khehle Mzola Mancingesi. Lana esandleni sami ningangizwa kabi. Lana esandleni sami ningangizwa kabi. Ngiphethe ifoni, yabo? This is just a phone. Le phone lena it's honor something. Le phone lena it's honor something. It has a cover body cloth. Okusho lama phone lawa iprice yayo lama phone lawa. Firstly, what is the function of having a phone? Phone, the best thing a phone that can do is to drain airtime. The best thing your phone can do is to consume data lakho, not it. Ngani to eat data? If phone does not eat your data, meaning it loses swag. The phone does not eat, it consumes. The phone consumes. Lana into eyenzekayo lapho twami, lento ikudlela idata ikudlela airtime lento la kolimi ojwayele layman's language. Umsezwa yiloko lento le. La ukweza wena ukukhokha, asithi mhlambe le phone angeyidayisi on. Asithi mhlambe ama owners ana price angifami. Asithi mhlambe le phone uyithenga ngo-11,000. And then i-airtime esuyifake lana, i-data osulifake lana elamalini. Within 3 years, the phone izobe isidepreciateile. Within 3 years, the phone izobe isidepreciate. Sengayithola ngo-1.5 kade ngithenga ngo-11,000 the phone. Isifaka i-data elingakanani. Yadla i-airtime engakanani. Kunezinto wena ongaziboni ukuthi ezokwenzani. Lana ngiphethe umshini, this is Capitec. Umshini lo okuswiper oka Capitec. Ufaka ikhadi lana uswipe. Ngifuna sibuke uqhathanisa lo mshini. Lo mshini nje wanguthengile. Kuthenge ngo-700 rand and less. 600 and something, got and less. Lo mshini within 30 days, compare i-airtime engizobe sengiyifake la, i-data engilifaka la, sithi mhlawumbe ngifaka i-data lika 200 rand, I'm making an example, ngifaka i-airtime mhlawumbe 1,000 ngoba ngifona kakhulu. Noma ngithi ngifake ka 500 ngenyanga. Meaning that ngenyanga lento la ikwazi ukudla 700 rand le phone. I-data ka 200 rand, i-airtime ka 500 rand if ngingafona kakhulu. Then lento ikwazi ukudla u700 rand every month. Le ikwazi ukwenza u700 rand every week. Ikuphi okufunayo wena? Ikuphi okufunayo? Le ngenyanga idla 700. Lena a week idla a week yenza 700. Kune phone wena oyikhiphele u40,000. uzuyivule kanje phambi kwethu airport kubuke wena wenza lento oyenzayo kunefone oblogger ngayo wenza yonke into oyenzayo unawo lento le mshini le start sakho sokuqala is to have into lento ingenisa imali mesikhuluma ngesithwalo ke semali nansi ethi isithwalo semali lento idonsa imali ayikhiphe imali lana mina ngikwazi ukukhokhela umuntu la mina ngikwazi into engiyenzayo la ukuthi lana ngithatha imali kumuntu afake ikhadi ngithatha imali afake lento nje into enza ingenisa imali ayikhiphe imali kodwa wena la we have chosen into yokutransfer imali ake siyiboneni bakithi into angazi noma sayidinga yini i-breaking yama gadgets they value nothing ake siyibuke leyo nto le umuntu ozosibrekela ngokotini athi uyawubamba ukotini uyakubamba ukuthi akubamba ijuthi mase ngithi mina sinoyengane egqoka Mr Price sinengane egqoka ophaqa sinengane ehamba ngamaphola athengwe ngocash sinengane ezinamacamera atho 20,000 sinengane ezinemizi emkhulu sinengane lala mbhedeni emihle kabi #KingZozo yabona abantu abanjengalapha we will always stigmatize them ukuthi kubantu nahamba abantu abayisibonelo kunini abanayo yonke lento wena oyicabangile kodwa ngithi mina wena namhlanje akuzibuka ukuthi mina ngikhiphe 700 sengilahlekelwe imali angaze ngifake airtime la angaze ngifake idatha ngine wifi building angaze ngifake lutho into eyenzakayo lento iyona efaka imali phela iyona efaka imali ayibuka ke into oyenzayo kuko konke lokwena obucabanga naloko ukukhuluma ngaka abantu do you have umshini wokuswipe compare ukuthi sifaka siphatha thina amafoni ako Mr Price siphatha amafoni ako Ackermans thatha nansi ifoni istiro thatha ifoni istiro ska 1850 versus ngithathe lena izonginika imali eningi engathenga ama steros awu 20 umshini wokuswipe ake siyibone ke into wena engakuthinti phuma ezintweni oraise ukuthi say quality because you are just supporting the mainstream industry you got no shares kwa Gucci you got no shares kwa LV no matter ungabreaka kanjani ngeathi yabo still you got no shares into ekunika ama shares empilweni ukuya ka Capitec uthi abakunike umshini wokuswipe usunama shares direct kwa Capitec uthenga ama shares ngo699 ube nama shares ka Capitec azodonsa imali through ama shares onawo wathola Capitec as well as much as udayisa ngeperfume lento ihlala la isikhwameni ngesikhathi umdayisela inyoni idikiza ithi ngishawa ushintshe uthi khuleka ngiyaswipe uswipe u60 rand ngesikhathi uswipe u60 rand uthi ngisale sekunika abe u2 ngoba ayizokulasa isikhathi sithi kanti usuveza usuncinzile u120 athi uyabona usumxafunela 2 umnike athi yini uthi haya sima ngeqiniso kanti vese ususwayipile u120 uzomtshela ukuthi bhuta uthathe ngani 2 ngoba vese sophinde sibonene kanti le perfume izokulasta isikhathi esincane ngesikhathi uthe awuthathe ngani 2 waswisha ukuswisha kusho ukuvume kumxhaka ngalondlela ukhuphula wena iflag legebengu ukhuphula iflag legebengu uyaswapha lo 120 ijikijela yena imessage 120 athi kanti imali uthi u6 rand ngikunika ethi ngithi uthatha 2 athi hayi ngifuna wena uthi hayi bese ngidayise noma uba ya mtshela bese ngidayise noma uba usebenza udayisa bebeyot bazothi intshontsile ngeke azoyidayisa uzothi ikodarazo bengifuna yodwa kodwa ngakunankinga kodwa usezoyijikijela esikhwameni omxhaka uhamba zamani zamani phela nani zamani nje kwakuthe taxini sisalusela indaba kashintshi kwakuthe taxini sisalusela uba ukhipha u200 akanawo ikhadi simswiphele lo muntu ukhipha u200 ukhokha u70 rand ungayiswipe lento razo ungayiswipe lento ikhale kwi-owner bonke labantu abaphethe 100 rand ovese wena uzobuyisela u30 rand uzogcina nawe ilahleke noma ungayiswipe lento ikhale kwi-owner uyikhandi on uthi kunemali kunabantu abangaka abaswipe izocela ekseni uyiconfirm lo payment obvious uyiswipile wayibamba nawe uyilokishi uyiswipile yini manje sofuza siloko sibanga njalo ngikhipha u200 rand ngizokho u130 uthi hey manje makukhipha u130 u30 rand nguthatha phela no razo iba nawe lento nawe lapho nje taxini banayo yabo asibavumela abantu uyayiqoqa ku long distance ubabamba ngo250 sanibonani njani bobaba naphela baba seswami ungambona ubabdotela hey la muntu uhamba ke ayino kabuhlungu ngixoxe kahle kodwa ngizocela ukuthi abazokhokha ngocash balungile but abathi bafuna ukuthi sibaswiphele ngizocela ukuthi bangiqale ngabazoswipe kuqala then ubamba bonke laba bawuline ovumayo uyabaswiphela ku long distance uyabaswiphela ibhayizo oyedwa kuphela ozokunika u300 abawu3 phela bazoswipe then uma laba iswipe so imali ama toll gate ku driver kuphela imali eningi ikuphi sesigebengwini leso sisebenzelayo yabo baswiphila abantu bonke kwasala 3 and uyamkhanda uGrey uthi mkhulu entambeni ezikuzona sengisebenze ngaqhubeza imhlophe ngaphansi idiamond kwena ngicela uliphendule libe uCrown uyangibamba lokishi uzophezula uma khwezikhwezi akhuphule iBhayibheli afoje athi nangempela kuyilonto njengoba uyilanda nje ilanda kanje ilanda uGrey ilanda uLine uyabheka eplangweni uthi hayi nangempela kuyikona baswayiphila ake sibukeni ukuthi advantage ukuthi ngempela soloku siphusha abantu ukuthi sixabane nabantu ababe no cash sixabane nokuthi kunento engadingi nje yabona lento ayidecline lutho ngekuswayipisa mina u12 uthenga into ka12 ngikuncanyisa kuchakhisa ijoke yabo ngithi salusobamba naloma sweet uhamba nengane oqala wena ithi ngane ngibe ngiyinika athi hayibo wamnika ngithi hayibo mnike emncane bese ngikuswayipela u20 uthi kuthiwa ngithi mina ngithathele nengane uzungakhalela ingane uhamba nayo hawu wena uzoswapha kanjani u12 esigebengweni phela ngiyona inyoni mina uzophela u12 uyaswapha uyangimashisela phela ngithi ngihlanga ngizoswaphisa ijoke ngitshela ingane ngithi hayi ngeke ngibe ngiyinika ingane at same time usweet iuhlafuni ngivake ngiyivale emlomo kuswaphela u20 ake sibukeni singamuva kanjani funa ke yabona uma uyinyoni cabanga ngendlela obunyoni kodwa uma usuphapha uphethe uGrey hambe yaCapitec ufike uncinze uhlale phansi nje uziyeke izidididile ezezinye ngani ngamabhekise uhlale phansi bathini uthi hayi ukhulumile uGrey uthi ake size la Capitec sizwa kuthiwa kumasha ngendlela eqiniso bese bethi ngeliphi iqiniso musu ubanikeza special book uthi ngibhalile lento kamakhwezikhwezi ngizoshaya ngomshilo kuswapha uyaphuma bakudenkezela bakunike ipassword ewu4 numbers 5 numbers ozoncinza ngami thereafter uyaphusha thereafter mengihlangana nawe uyangivuma uthi hayi limile iflag legebengu ngithi ngeliphi iqiniso msholozo ulimisile iflag legebengu namhlanje ngiyaswayiphisa ngidayisa inhloko la akekho umuntu obaleka nenyuka ngiyaswayiphisa ethenga nje inhloko umdayisela nophuthe engalifunanga umethe akalifuna ukuthi uzophisa ngazo baba uzopha abanye hawukuyini ukupha abanye ngoba ngeke phela umswayiphisa u30 nawe uhlakaniphile nawe liyashisa ilanga lana le razo ngempela isicabanga ukuthi sengaswayipha u30 yabo singacabanga phela isengaswayipha u30 hleze umuzomswayiphisa umdayise nekani letrick noma akabe akalifuna uthi alifuna ukuthi umtshela alishiyeke ngeke azalishiye seliswayiphile hambe yiba nazo izinto lana ayixhophayo yabo umdayisele umswayiphisele umdayisele into akade ngayidingi ahambe umdayisele ngeke phela saleso swapho u7 kanti akasona isigebengu nayo ngisho ukuthi ake siyibukeni but siyibuke ngoline omuhle line omhlophe yabo siyibuke ngoline omuhle line oseNatal sibuke ngoline waseNatal ukuthi la siphethe ulayini if igebenge egoli sivuma iflag ukuthi nanti lelimi khona limi ngeqiniso libhakuze Nedbank limhlophe. This is Babu Dot Voices Watch Alufana kusukela manje when wenza business try to have something that is convenient for customers. Thank you.